In this video we are going to talk about the best oven cleaner in this year, which is Wyman Cooktop and Oven Cleaner. We will be going over the special key features of this product and why this product is so popular. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. Wyman Cooktop and Oven Cleaner is a cleaning product designed to effectively remove tough, burnt-on food, grease, and grime from cooktops, ovens, and other kitchen appliances. Here are some details about the product. Ingredients: the cleaner contains a combination of powerful cleaning agents, including surfactants, solvents, and abrasives, as well as water and fragrance. Usage: to use the cleaner on a cooktop or oven, the surface should be cool and the product should be applied directly to the soiled area. For best results, the cleaner should be left on the surface for a few minutes before wiping away with a damp cloth or sponge. For stubborn stains, a non-abrasive scrubbing pad can be used. The product should be rinsed away thoroughly with water after cleaning. Safety: Wyman Cooktop and Oven Cleaner is a highly effective cleaning product, but it should be used with caution. The cleaner contains strong chemicals that can be harmful if ingested, inhaled, or come into contact with skin or eyes. It is important to read the product label carefully and follow all safety instructions, including wearing gloves and protective eyewear during use. Compatibility: the product is safe to use on a variety of surfaces, including ceramic, glass, and stainless steel cooktops, as well as ovens, broilers, and barbecue grills. However, it should not be used on aluminum, copper, or painted surfaces. Packaging: Wyman Cooktop and Oven Cleaner is sold in a 22 ounces spray bottle. The bottle is designed with a trigger sprayer that allows for targeted application of the product. That's all about this product today. If you want to get more information and customer reviews, you can check out the link in the description down below. I hope you like the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos in future.